It was announced by the Minister of Health, Dr. Frank Anthony, on Monday that there has been a decrease in the number of COVID-19 positive cases being recorded in the country, a phenomenon that can be linked to the country's ongoing vaccination drive.
We've had 4 deaths being recorded. When we look across the spectrum, because we've had we have seen a decreasing trend in cases, so the numbers generally has gone down a little bit, and across the regions we're seeing that. Region 1, the area with the most cases, is really Mabaruma.
In the last 24 hours, a total of 391 COVID-19 tests were conducted. Of this figure, only 14 tests were positive, the minister said. However, while this decrease can be seen as a win for Guyana, since new COVID-19 infections are surging in other countries such as Trinidad and Tobago and Jamaica, the minister reminded that the vaccination of all eligible Guyanese remains the government's priority.
We've seen other countries around us now reporting the Delta variant, so at some point that variant is going to be here, and that variant, once it gets into the country, it would cause more infections, hospitalizations, and even deaths. And you see that predominantly among the unvaccinated.
At present, 287,837 persons, or 59.1% of the adult population, has received a first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, while 147,128 persons, or 30.2% of the country's adult population, is fully immunized. While the ministry continues to see an uptick in the number of persons receiving a first dose of the vaccine, the minister revealed that persons are not returning for their second doses.
We would like to see a bigger uptake. There are people who have received their second dose, haven't come back, received their first dose rather, but haven't come back for their second dose. We want to urge them to do so because we have the second dose being available.
While some persons are of the opinion that a single dose is enough to protect them against the COVID-19 virus, the minister reminded that a person is not fully protected until they are fully vaccinated. The minister also urged persons who are still to receive their second dose of the Russian Sputnik vaccine to do so, since there are doses available. Some 5,000 doses of the Sputnik vaccine were received by government last Friday, and the country is expected to receive weekly supplies. Meanwhile, in providing a progress report on the construction of the one-stop shop diabetic center in Lusignan on the east coast of Demerara, the minister noted that the contract for that facility has been awarded and the contractors are in the process of starting the foundation for the building. The diabetic center, once completed, will be the first of its kind in Guyana and will offer a wide array of services to diabetic patients. For the HTP Nightly News, Kendell Richmond.